folks, Art Don Lee Murphy here, and here is the next step in the evolution of the grossest camper I've ever seen in my life. Here is the door, the outer door for traveling where it closes up the camper. Anyhow, triaging it when I was working in the camper, decided to just pull it off and see what was going on. When I was bringing it back from where I bought it, it looked like it was in pretty decent shape, and then moving it around, I heard this telltale crunchy noise, so okay, pull it off, see what there is. And I just don't quite understand their logic between the head stainless, oh no, here's one. This is a stainless steel screw that they used in some of the installation, and yet this is a regular rusty type screw. Hello, bird. The chicken's out. Anyhow, obviously everywhere these little rusty type screws, galvanized, I don't know what it is, but they're so rusty you can see everywhere they were used, they rusted, and then there is water infiltration that's got to be fixed. Not to mention that whoever owned this before saw the wisdom in just randomly drilling holes for whatever into this exterior, so not surprising. There is rust. Ouch. Rot. So, opening this up, at least now I know. Well, I had read online that contact cement was used to adhere these panel sections together, and obviously it has completely failed. Here you can see residue of it. And any of y'all who are artists out there understand my complete loathing for masonite. I hate this stuff. It just, there's almost nothing that something else other than masonite will do the job better for whatever it's being used for. So this is just completely crumbling here. Anyhow, it's got to be completely taken apart and rebuilt, preferably with something rot-proof. Just like with a roof, is to do multiple layers, multiple redundancy to make sure that even if water does get in it, it'll get stopped and there's nothing for it to rot. So, okay, here is the next level onto the, hopefully, completion of my dream camper. Anyway, well, hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.